Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to log in into your Binance account. So just type binance.com on your web browser, and after that you will need to log in into your account. After that, we will need just to go to our wallet so we can send crypto from there. And basically now all we need to do is just to go to our wallet as I said. So here in the overview, we will find our balance and everything else. So we are interested in the fiat and spot wallet. So basically we need just to search for the fiat and spot, and then we will be able to search or to see our spots here. So from here, you will need just to choose from here. You can either find your wallet here or your coins that you have and the amount. And after that, you can just search, you can send your tokens. So basically here we find the deposits, withdraw if you want to put your token to another wallet. So you choose the coin that you want, that you would like, and after that the address that you would like, and of course the network that you need to use for the address. Otherwise, you can just go here for send if you want to send your crypto. So as you can see here, set the pin to skip some things. So basically, you can just send crypto to a Binance user via email or something. You can just come here and enter the Binance ID or whatever you like. You enter the amount, and of course, you will need just to confirm the payment. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.